Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, Izzy's gonna help me draw my own Digimon style character.
Yes.
Okay, so Izzy, you take the lead on this one. Here we go.
Okay. Okay. First, you need to think why your Digimon there be a type.
Okay, so we're gonna figure out what type of Digimon we're drawing.
Well, I don't figure out mine.
Okay, what do you have? Or is it a surprise? Are we just gonna see what happens on the page?
My Digimon water.
Okay, so he's a water type, so he's in the water. My character might be in the water as well, actually, my type. So what now? Do we do a rough sketch with the pencils first, or do we go straight to marker? Since you got the pencils? Okay, so rough with a pencil. Okay, easy. So,
First, you need to think about the body.
okay, so your body, you're gonna think about that, and I'm gonna do mine. Okay, here we go.
Then you need to draw the pupil.
Okay, so we need to add the pupils.
I want to say some Digimon have sort of like dark eyes, but I will show you how to draw them.
Okay.
First, draw any shape.
Okay. I've got circles like normal.
Then draw the pupil. Then color. Then draw here and here.
Bigger for me. Okay, mine is bigger now and way and way.
Then
So you're adding.
the reflection.
Okay, I don't know if I got space for that, but I'll add the reflections in there and there. And you got a line down by yours. What is that? It's like a marking. Because that's Digimon style marking. Okay, so I'll have lines under my eyes as well. Okay.
Well, some Digimon don't have a line on it, but if you want to add it, then you may.
Okay. I think maybe I leave it out in the end. And maybe I know some Digimon have this little pointy bits in the side of the eyes. Like eye pencil. Yeah. Okay. So that's how rough pencil drawings.
Yeah.
And look, mine is gonna have like I know he's a frog, but I know Agumon have these claws, and I figured I'd give him Agumon claws, so weird frog. But are we ready for marker? Okay, let's go. And I think my Digifrog bucket head thing is ready to just to clean up with an eraser, and then we can watercolor. But is this marker dry? Probably. I don't want to smudge my drawing. Do we have another eraser there? Just check. Yeah. Let me see. We do not have another eraser. That's Izzy's axolotl pirate eye patch Digimon type character, and I've got my frog with a bucket on his head.
Yes.
Digimon type character. Oh, I didn't do that clearly. There's my marking. You just tuck that one behind the others. Okay.
Great.
So before we go for color, let's just ask everybody to drop us a like, maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. And we'd like to hear from you, so yeah, drop a comment.
Okay. And so Buffalo we might be my name our Digimon first. Then you may give him one or two ability.
Okay, so you're gonna name him and then give him an ability. Okay, so you go first. What's your Digimon's name?
Axolotl.
Axolotl Snakemon.
Yes,
Is it Metal Gear Solid Snake?
something like that.
The eye patch, the eye patch. Okay, and his abilities?
Crazy boy. That he use water balloon.
Okay, so you can turn invisible and you can use a water balloon. What, to splash people, to splash other Digimon. Okay, that's cool, You can splash people with this. I said people, but other Digimon with this water balloon. My one is Bucket Helmet Frogmon. Nice Bucket Helmet Frogmon. As long a name as possible. And he has the ability to protect his head from any incoming projectiles. So that's an obvious ability that his head is protected. And he can jump very far and he can scratch other Digimon. Because he's got over 1 type of nose. Okay, so mine is very basic. What you see is what you get.
Yes.
Okay, so color.
And I will show something after we color it.
Okay, so when we're done, he's gonna show us something. Start color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
This is Buckethead Frogmon. Bucket Helmet, what was his name? Bucket Helmet Frogmon. And yours was?
No, I think even bucket head frogmon.
Buckethead Frogmon. And you have Axolotl Snake.
Axolot.
Yeah?
Axolot Snakemon.
Axolotl Snakemon. Axolotl Snakemon. Okay, so Izzy, Axolotl Snakemon and Buckethead Frogmon. And you wanted to show us something, did see?
My first Digimon.
First Digimon character?
Yes, his name Xenomon.
Xenomon, okay.
I want to say like a long time ago, before my dad got YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
My first Digimon was Agumon.
Oh, okay, so you
Like you know the anime what Agumon with the stripe
Yeah.
on his hand.
Yeah. So did you
Well, I did use my dad to make it blue.
Okay. I remember that. Like you had an Agumon and you wanted me to edit him a bit with blue stripes on his hands and stuff. I remember that.
And Draymon.
Yeah.
And the Draymon.
I remember all that coloring and something.
And you didn't
I didn't finish one of it? Okay.
More Draymon.
Okay, so
and we will never talk about.
yeah, we won't talk about that anymore, easy. Okay, so that's Axolotl Snakemon and Buckethead Frogmon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.